What's up, pranksters? Welcome back. Lately, I've been showing you guys how to do simple practical jokes at home, simple booby traps you can pull off on friends and family. Well, in this video, I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be carrying on with the same trend, which is pranks, because April Fool's is almost upon us and I want to get you guys ready. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna show you guys how to set up a simple booby trap using a water bottle. This is very easy, very simple, and anybody can do it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget that the thumbs ups are always appreciated. Let's get started, guys. Check it out. As I mentioned, you're gonna need a water bottle for this prank. Now this water bottle is pretty much full with water. Now you don't necessarily have to use a water bottle, you can use a Gatorade bottle or a soda bottle. But for this example, I'll stick to something simple, which is a water bottle. Now as you guys can see, this water bottle has a label. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna lay this water bottle on the counter, as you guys can see. And then we're gonna undo the label. So just undo it. Don't remove it, just pretty much put it to the side. Now, as you guys can see, when you lay the water bottle on its side, you are able to work with the top. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take a blade and remove a square. Alright, awesome. We just made a bigger opening on the side of this water bottle. So as you guys can see, I'm able to stick my finger inside the water bottle. Alright, that is perfect. What we're gonna do next is, we're gonna cover this hole that we just created with the label. So now it's time to cover the hole with the label, just like this. Connect both sides together, and now people won't be able to tell that there's an opening right there. One last thing I want you guys to do is to just make a little slit right there, but make sure they're not noticeable. So now guys, whoever comes over and picks up this water bottle, well, guess what? They'll be in for a messy surprise, because as soon as you stand up this water bottle, all that water is gonna come out through the hole you created, and it's just gonna create a big spill that nobody would wanna clean up. So if it was me coming over to lift up this water bottle, because let's say that it doesn't belong there, this is what would happen. See, as soon as it stands up, all the water starts to spill out. Yep, and you create a mess instantly. I really like this prank because it's so simple, anybody can do it, and it's not that extreme that somebody would get super mad and that they would throw this water bottle at you. As you guys can see by the demo, it's very messy and you're bound to get somebody wet. So if you pull this off, please do it on somebody that you guys know can take a joke and that you guys won't get into trouble. I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, I hope you gave this video a thumbs up and that you guys are subscribed to this channel, because I will continue to bring you more pranks, more hacks soon. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll see you pranksters in my next video. Basically what I'm gonna be showing you guys in this video is how to set up some booby traps around your house using water balloons. About this size will do. Just like that, and you're gonna put it inside the drawer. So open the drawer, so your victim's gonna come over and he or she's gonna open the drawer, and this is what's gonna happen. Right here I filled the balloon with water, and I'm gonna tape this on the bottom of the drawer using, of course, tape, and that's when they'll fall for this booby trap. So I'm gonna show you how that's gonna go down. I'm gonna push it forward and let's see what happens. Yep, just like I expected, the balloon popped